Hey guys, this is a video of how to add your images to Google Docs from SketchUp. So you're going to go to the three lines up top here. You're going to go to Export, and we want the PNG. Choose which view, okay? It would help your grade if you could do a couple views for me so I can see everything that you did. But choose one view that you want and hit Export as PNG. Now after you do that, either two things, yours will show up down here like mine did, or you'll have to upload it to your Google Doc. So then you're going to go to your Google Doc. Okay, and if it's showing up down here, all you have to do is drag and drop it and it's in there. Okay, if it's not showing up at the bottom here, you go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And when you upload it from computer, it'll be the first one there. Then you click Open. Now keep in mind, for certain projects, I want you to do a couple images. And then if you double click on it too, you can actually crop out all this extra stuff so that I can actually see your project a little bit nicer. So if you crop it out and then make it bigger, that makes it much easier for me to grade you. Okay? And that's all you have to do to insert your pictures on your assignment.